Let's go. Yo, I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it, fuse like a magnet. Lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shit tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time. Get up, nah, I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball, I'm a really big hitter. Big picture, I'm a straight killer. Rising the song to the highest bidder. Got juice, got gas, I'ma move fast. New shoes, new tracks, like who's that? I'm new, come back, better than last. Yeah, it's a new me, never gonna look back. I'm never gonna look back. Cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast, and that's facts. Only I can make a change. Slowly take a step today. I will never be the same. Cause that's what it takes. I'm never gonna look back. Cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast, and that's facts. Only I can make a change. Slowly take a step today. I will never be the same. Cause that's what it takes. I feel nauseous, believe me. Never had a lot of shit come easy. Had to work hard, struggle just to be me. Had to rise up just so they could see me. Did what I had to do just to feed me. And what was left over I put towards my dreaming. But the only thing in life that has meaning are the things you gotta work for, believe me. Take it to your hands and plan your own. Hands can land your own brand. And damn, I feel like no one takes accountability. They want the credibility. Convincingly I'm willing to put in the hours it takes to get some power. Don't get sour, take a cold shower. Scream until you're louder, work until you're prouder. And all the doubters, they're just young downers. I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown. hard to be seen when everybody wants to be king. Yeah, they all wanna ring, yeah, we all wanna be free. So show me what you got, what you bring, how you fight in the ring, how you take a fucking swing. Do you got heart, are you mean? Got some scars, got some needs, are you willing to go bleed? I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown. I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown.
The Seiko Prospex Automatic Diver is designed with a cushioned, gold-finished stainless steel case and accordion-style black silicone strap. Water-resistant to 200 meters, this highly functional diver has a matching black and gold rotating bezel and large Lumi-Bright hands and markers. The black dial displays a day and date calendar for everyday use. The Seiko Prospex Automatic Diver is water-resistant to 200 meters. Its angular stainless steel case and bracelet design features a black and orange one-way rotating bezel. The iconic orange dial displays a date calendar and large hands and markers, with Seiko's Lumi-Bright coating making it easy to read underwater. Seiko's 1968 automatic diver is reimagined in this 200-meter dive watch. It echoes the design of Seiko's first high-beat diver, but has a modern style with a thinner bezel and contemporary Lumi-Bright hands and markers. The stainless steel case and bracelet are constructed with super hard coating and a 3-fold clasp with push-button release.
When adventurer Naomi Uemura climbed to the summit of Everest, I was there. When he became the world's first person to reach the North Pole solo with a dog sled, I was there too. I've also shared adventures with many other challengers as they have fulfilled their ambitions. That wasn't a coincidence. They call me Prospex. The year was 1965, I was born as Japan's first diver's watch. Water resistance, shock resistance, legibility. Without these functions, a watch cannot be a true diver's watch. My creation was also a challenge in watchmaking. Just a few years later, I took a leap forward. I was reborn with a one-piece case that delivered greater water resistance. Around that time, Seiko received a letter from a professional diver. For a professional diver, it's vital to know the exact dive time. Seiko reinvented me so I could withstand the pressure of diving at 600 meters. My reliability at great depths has been verified in 3 joint tests with Jamstick. My performance has been tested in some of the harshest conditions on the planet by many of the world's